In Moffett Field, California, NASA has a new ultra-efficient lunar-shaped office building that it calls its latest mission on Earth.
The energy used by the building will be considerably less than the energy used by a conventional building of equivalent size. At this time in history, I think we're almost obliged to be sensitive to the needs of the planet and to build buildings that are responsible. That was part of the philosophy and the thinking behind this building.
The NASA Sustainability Base, slated to open this spring, is one of the federal government's greenest buildings and reflects the Obama administration's push for energy efficiency.
There are many nifty features. We're using reclaimed water for irrigation, and we're not using potable water, thereby saving something like almost 1 million gallons of potable water a year. The roof of the building is positioned in such a way as that it maximizes the exposure to the arc of the sun during the entire year. The fact that we have raised floors during the summer months where we're located, every single night is a cool night, and we can capture that cool air and store it underneath the raised floors of the building, and then use that cool air again instead of air conditioning. The windows open and close. It's a very simple thing that we've taken for granted over the years, and we've built all these airtight, highly efficient buildings, and they don't take advantage of the fact that we can use natural air currents. This isn't the same building you'd build in Buffalo, New York, but using these same principles, you could design a building in Buffalo, New York that would be optimized for that location on the planet. The building will be an extremely healthy building for our employees. All of the materials used in the building have been carefully screened in terms of their chemical composition, so that we know that none of those materials have toxic substances and none of them will be outgassing. What we have learned and what we are learning from this building is that it doesn't take a whole lot of additional effort to do something very special. Your intention is to design and construct a building that is very efficient and is not a burden on the planet, but rather actually helps the planet recover.